pass out. Got a brother wanting it so bad about to pass out on the dig. And I can't even lie about it, baby, just to alleviate your clothes. I'm the fly out, catch you at the club. Your hips have got me feeling, body talking quick to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. No, if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance to 180 on the freeway. Catch me if you can. Forgive me, I'm a rider. Still, I'm just a Superman. All I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man. Mr. International. Playing with the passport. Just like a last wish. Get you anything you ask for. Either him or me. The champagne and the sea. Favorite of my homies when we flaunch on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed. What my foes need. Make some more cheese for you don't need. Approaching women with a passion. Been a long day. But I've been driven by attraction in a strong way. Your body is banging, baby. I love the way you're flowing. Time to give it to damn sugar. That's how me how you want it. Type of man that you can trust, not just a fool in lust. Coming to get you on the bus is so ironic. Exotic on the verge of erotic. I'm hitting switches on misses like I've been fixed with hydraulics. My up and down like a roller coaster. Can I come inside you? I ain't stopping till the show is over. Cause I'm a rider, in and out just like a robbery. I'll probably be the freaking let you get on top of me. Cause the rockin' is nights full of Alizé. A living legend, you ain't heard about them players living Cali days. The Lord Kentucky, you were fake to me. Instead of trying to help a brother, wanna take his G's. Mistaking me for Bill Clinton, Mr. Bob Dole. You're too old to understand the way the game's so. You're lame, so I gotta hit you with the hot tracks. Once I'm released, I'm making millions trying to top that. They wanna see to me, they'd rather see me in my cell. It's living hell, only a few of us are living tell. Now everybody talking about us, I ain't giving up the very word that taught us all to cuss. Come on, tell me how you want it. Forgot to sleep on how to get a bulletproof. 6 bustin' off the people when I was a teenager. Mobile phones, sky page, game rules, I'm living major. My adversaries is getting bloody. They paranoid and getting worried. One of us gon' see the cemetery. They wonder if my lifestyle's changed, and am I through with all the pain? Surviving in this game, it's still the same. I need to meet me at the strip club, bring it on. Look how they shaking for that cash, what's in this on? I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy.